Okay. Uh, yeah, because for mine it says you don't have anything. Um, default house. Tutorial, yeah. You know what? Maybe my house is dirty. You're not supposed to see when it's dirty. Mm-mm. Why only switching to public? Oh, hold on. Let me see. No, oh, hold on. Is it this one right here? Hold up. Shares, okay. You and invited users, okay. Anyone to link. Oh, wait, this is. Oh, never mind. Oh, starting off. Water? We got some feng shui going on or what? Oh, wow, you can actually put your links here? Yeah, no worries. Cool. Data space. It's pretty cool, to be honest. What's up? Cost security. Oh man, wait. I think. Hold up. Let me. Oh, this dinosaur's calling me, but I'm gonna text him. I created my space, but I'm like, did it wrong. Did I send it to you? It's in the woods. Oh, wait, excuse me. Hiya. You got s'mores? Ah, I see it. Really? That's cool. Holy shit. Look at that. You can get s'mores. Go in the water, Nita. I don't know how to swim. I like the way my jacket pops out here. See my jacket? It pops out in the color. This color background. Okay, but to go to my house,